Good afternoon, YouTube. It's your boy LocsNLoad here. What's up, guys? I hope you missed me. Anyway, guys, I'm talking about the product you've seen on my rifle the past few weeks ago, and this right here. This is the Samson Manufacturing GoPro mount. This is for the key mod version. They have one for M-LOK and Picatinny rail. What this amazing little product does is attaches to your firearm of whatever type, as long as it's got the rail mounts, and it lets you shoot cool videos while you're shooting your rifle or while you're maneuvering, clearing corners, CQB, all that cool stuff that you want to show your friends. So this Samson GoPro mount allows you to do that. You can mount it on your rifle, and it has the screw on here so you can have your camera facing forward to catch your shots and what you're shooting, or you can reverse it so you can see your pretty face on camera and show off all your friends. Anyway, guys, that is the Samson GoPro mount. It's an awesome product. It stays on your rifle if you do it right, unlike how I did. But once you get it on there right and do it how it's supposed to, it won't move, it won't fall off, and it's actually pretty cool. And on a side note, I think this would be pretty cool for home defense, because you have this on your rifle. Let's say someone's breaking in on your house, hit your button, you got your rifle, you got your camera, you're good to go. You handle the situation and whatever happens. Now you have video and audio evidence to help justify your claim in court. I think that's pretty cool. But anyway, guys, don't want to take up too much of your time. I know you guys are busy, but this is the Samson Manufacturing GoPro mount, and I think it's pretty cool, and you guys can swing by and pick one up. Anyway, guys, I hope you enjoyed the product video. Please like, comment, subscribe. Also, I'm selling shirts on Teespring, so please pick one up. Anyway, guys, please be safe. LocsNLoad out.